So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the first unit from financial accounting paper. Okay, so BCom and BBA students, you have all come to know many things about hire purchase. Yes or no? So I have done till journal entries in the books of hire vendor. Okay, you can check the playlist. Okay, there you will find an important sums. I will continue. Okay, I will continue with you on the sums which you find critical. Okay, those sums I will be showing you. Okay, rest, interest calculation, depreciation calculation, you all know. Okay, journal entries I have taught you, and you know how to do ledger posting. Okay, you have learned in your basics. Okay, basic classes. So today I am going to discuss regarding the first unit, that is theoretical framework. Okay, so what are the things given in theoretical framework? Okay, the first point is what is accounting. So it's a very important topic. What is accounting? Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing financial transactions in the books of accounts. Okay, this is all about accounting. We have learned in our HS first year classes. Okay, so in BCom first sem classes, in BBA classes, it is a bit elaborate. Okay, it is not only recording, classifying and summarizing financial transactions, but it is also interpretation. The matter of interpretation is there. Okay, so you see, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money. Okay, the transactions should be in terms of money. Okay, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character. The transaction should be of financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. Okay, and you have to interpret that what is the result, what is the status of the business. Okay, so that you can ascertain from the financial statements. Okay, so you see, accounting process starts with recording of business transaction, ends with interpreting the results thereof. So accounting process means it will start with recording of the business transactions. Once a transaction takes place in a business, it is recorded where? In the journal. From the journal it is posted to the ledger. Then trial balance is prepared. Yes or no? Then what? Trading account, the financial statements, trading account, profit and loss account, then balance sheet. Okay, cash flow statement, fund flow statement. So these all are what? These all are financial statements. Okay, records of a business organization are kept in these financial statements. Okay, so whenever an user of financial statement of a business wants to know the financial condition of the business, he can check out the financial statements to know whether the business is earning profit or incurring loss. Okay, there can be many users of financial statements, like the management, the creditors, then the investors, many. So we will discuss this points in our next classes. Okay, so today just know that what is accounting. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money. Okay, so all the transactions should be measurable in terms of money. Okay, so in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. Okay, so interpretation is necessary. Okay, what is the result of the, or what is the outcome of the financial statements? Okay, whether the business is earning profit or it is incurring loss. Okay, what is the status of the business? So this line you all will know. Okay? You all will understand that accounting process starts with recording of business transactions and with interpreting the results thereof. Okay, so who maintains the books of accounts? The bookkeeper. Okay, then the bookkeeper, what happens after the preparation of all the financial statements, reports it to the top level management. Okay, reports it to the top level management. So that is all about accounting. Okay, it's a very simple and easy term. Okay, you will find in your unit number 1 theoretical framework. Okay, in financial accounting paper. Okay, you just see. Okay, so this much if you write, it's okay. Okay, you just say you just try to explain the meaning of accounting. What is accounting? Okay, next comes what is accounting information. Now what do you mean by this word information? Information means it's a fact. Okay, it's a fact. Okay, a true statement. Okay, fact means a true statement. So information is fact. It's a true statement of what? Of an event. Okay, of an event or a transaction. Okay, so transaction means what in commerce? Okay, transaction is what like buying and selling of goods. Okay, so that is transaction. Transaction of money takes place. Okay, in between the buyer and the seller. So that is transaction. So information means what? It's a fact. Okay, it's a knowledge. Okay, so accounting information are provided in the books of accounts. Okay, you see, accounting information means the data provided in the financial statements. This financial statements include trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, fund flow statement. So cash flow statement and fund flow statement will come to know in your later classes. Okay, so now you all know about trading account, you all know about profit and loss account, you all know about balance sheet. Yes or no? So all these contain what? All these statements contain the fact. Okay, the known fact. Okay, or it's a data. Okay, datas are provided in the financial statements. So once the datas are checked, okay, the management can take important decisions regarding the business. Okay, like pricing of goods, okay, whether to increase the price of the goods or to decrease the price of the goods. Okay, all regarding all these matters. Okay, the management or other interested parties can take decisions. Okay, so accounting information means what? It's the data, okay, or the known facts, okay, of the business are provided in the financial statements. So these financial statements include, okay, you see these 5 points, okay, trading, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow and fund flow statement. Okay, so these are very important. Okay, what is accounting? What is accounting information? Okay, we just see, okay, and try to remember. And the important lines are, okay, like accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing is in terms of manager in part of the financial interpreting the results. Interpretation, okay, not only recording, classifying and summarizing, it also includes interpreting the results. Okay, it starts with recording of business transactions and ends with interpreting the results thereof. If you just write that recording, classifying and summarizing, it's not okay. Okay, that is of HS first year level. Okay, now become first year, okay, it is also, okay, interpreting the results thereof is included. Okay, interpretation is necessary. And you see accounting information means it is the fact. Accounting information means the data, okay, provided in the financial statements. You remember this These financial statements, these are very important. Okay. So next class we will be continuing with accounting information system. Okay, what is the system? Okay, how accounting information flows, okay, from the bottom level to the top level. Okay, so that we will come to know in our next classes. Okay, till then, goodbye, and please subscribe to my channel, the new viewers. Okay, and if you like my video, share and comment. Okay, thank you for today.